Are you aware that the Key Blockchain is conducting their first step KYC? Are you aware? If you're not aware, this video is for you. Watch it from the beginning to the end to get every details about the Key Blockchain KYC step 1. After that, we'll do KYC 2, KYC 3, and KYC 4. So if you're not updated, you might miss out from this token. Okay. So after that, the listing will come up. Without you passing the KYC 1, 2, 3, and 4, you might not be able to be eligible to, to be airdropped during the airdrop distribution. Are you getting it? Now, let me read this. 5 hours ago, they tweeted, okay, they said Keychain will conduct a second round of airdrop and we will airdrop SHIB to users. This SHIB is like a Shiba Inu to users who participated in staking mining at 8:00 a.m. Washington time on August 15th. Are you getting it? So this video is for the KYC step 1. So even on the 6th of August, they said they made a statement. Some of you don't watch video to the end to get every details about that video. Keychain has completed the first repurchase work and has transferred, 500,000 key to the black hole address for destruction, like for burning. Okay, so that is it. Now let's move to the app or to the site or page. The key. If you check out here, I just opened the app now. It's loading. The balance is loaded. The Key Blockchain balance is loading. Are you getting it? So you keep mining. The project is already on PancakeSwap exchange. I mean the key has been listed. It's on PancakeSwap exchange. Okay, that is it. So keep quiet there. Shut up. It's on PancakeSwap exchange, as I've already said. If you have not been mining, it's not too late. You can still start now. Are you getting it? Now, I want to show you how you can be claiming your BTC. But this claiming is for those that have a referrals. If you don't have any referral, even if you have 2 referrals, yes, you'll be accumulating some fractions of BTC as you are mining this key airdrop. Okay, so if you don't have any referral, you may not be able to accumulate some fraction of the BTC. So if you have referrals, let's go. You click on that mining there. Once it get open, okay, once it get open, you see your BTC. You'll be getting some fraction of the BTC. Click on this. I have only 6 people mining. You click on this. This is the fraction I've been able to secure. So you click on this income. Click on receive. Click on receive. You'll be able to claim. You say, are you sure you want to collect it? The BTC. You say okay. All right. I click on okay and wait. Can you see? Say receive successfully. All right. Good and fine. Yes. So don't forget that this is 2 years project. So who knows if they end the money after the KYC, whether they will continue another phase or another version of it. So let me show you how to do your KYC. This is how you do your first step 1 KYC. You click on this very place. Okay, click